Looking for budget-friendly Halloween decoration ideas? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we journey through a list of top 10 creative ideas that won't burn a hole in your pocket and will still make your house the talk of the town this Halloween. So buckle up and get ready to dive into a world of frugal yet fantastic Halloween decorations. Starting off at number 10, we have spooky silhouettes. All you need is some black construction paper, a pair of scissors, and a window to display your creepy creations. Cut out shapes of bats, witches, or even a creepy old tree and stick them on your windows. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's effective. And next up at number 9, we've got bottle ghosts. Gather up some old bottles, drape them with white cloth or tissue paper, then draw on some ghostly faces. Voila! You've got yourself an army of bottle ghosts. At number 8, we're looking at pumpkin paper lanterns. They're like jack-o'-lanterns but without the mess. Fold some orange paper, cut out spooky faces, and pop in a battery-operated tea light. Moving on to number 7, spiderweb doorway. Grab some white yarn or string and weave it into a spiderweb design across your doorway. Don't forget to add a few plastic spiders for that extra creep factor. Sneaking in at number 6, we have balloon eyeballs. Inflate some white balloons and paint or draw eye designs on them. Scatter them around your house or yard for a truly eye-popping display. Halfway through our list at number 5, we find candy corn candles. Layer different colored sand or sugar in glass jars to mimic candy corn, then place a tea light on top. It's a sweet way to light up your Halloween night. At number 4, we're getting crafty with cardboard tombstones. Cut out tombstone shapes from old cardboard boxes, paint them grey, and write funny or spooky epitaphs. Our third spot goes to mummy mason jars. Wrap some mason jars in strips of white cloth or paper, add some googly eyes, and you've got adorable mummy lanterns. At number 2, we have floating witch hats. Suspend some inexpensive witch hats from your ceiling or porch. You can even add glow sticks inside for a magical touch. Now, drumroll, please. Our top budget-friendly Halloween decoration idea is glowing ghosts. All you need are some white balloons, green glow sticks, and a black marker. Inflate the balloons, activate and insert the glow sticks, then draw on ghostly faces. Hang them around your yard or home for a truly ghoulish spectacle. So there you have it. 10 budget-friendly Halloween decoration ideas that are sure to impress. Remember, creativity doesn't have to be costly. With a little imagination and some household items, you can create a Halloween haunt that will be remembered for years to come. So go ahead, give these ideas a try, and experience the joy of creating your own Halloween decorations without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy decorating.